All right, now to coronavirus coverage. As the number of COVID-19 vaccinations slowly climbs, some people want to understand what's keeping them, others from getting their first dose.
A professor at Norfolk State University is studying why some minority communities choose to remain unvaccinated. Alex Littlehales reports on what she hopes to find.
This area is lower than we want it to be. It's lower than our average.
A big push with a smaller look. This Monday vaccination clinic in the SeaTac neighborhood of Virginia Beach brought fewer than 20 people inside.
For the minority communities, we have done fairly well. For the black community, we're at 55%, the Latino community, 55%.
Because community-based small vaccination efforts are exactly where the focus has shifted, because even though more than 5 million Virginians are now fully vaccinated, there is still a push to reach those who aren't.
More equitable, not just equal, but equitable. And so framing questions that get to the crux of what families or community members are experiencing.
Dr. Sharon Alston is a researcher with the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation and assistant professor at Norfolk State University. She's begun studying how minority and underserved communities are navigating the pandemic, focusing on two communities, New York City and Hampton Roads. Dr. Alston wants to look at why someone either is or isn't vaccinated and how these communities receive information about the vaccine.
How is information being disseminated to residents about the impact of COVID, the availability to information?
Hundreds of miles apart, Dr. Alston believes the two areas can teach each other something about bridging the gap.
Hampton Roads or New York City or Washington, D.C., we're talking, that's just geography, right? This is happening to lower income African American.
And Dr. Alston says she's still in the data gathering portion of this research, but believes she should have answers sometime in the next 6 months. In Norfolk, I'm Alex Littlehales, 13 News Now.
A vaccine clinic just began at Green Run High School. It's from now until 7:30 tonight.
Anyone who wants a COVID vaccine has several chances this week in Virginia Beach, Wednesday at Tallwood High, and Thursday at Bayside Middle School. All clinics run from 5:30 to 7:30. Eligible children looking for the Pfizer shot need a guardian with them. Moderna and Johnson & Johnson doses are also available.